Watch funny pranks for you and your friends in our new video. Find more new ideas and life hacks on our brand new channel, Woohoo! Subscribe and enjoy awesome tricks and hilarious pranks. Follow the link in the description. Shh! My friend is finally asleep. Let's sneak her a sticky present. Add coloring to clear glue. Pour in a teaspoon of nose drops. Add some cornstarch and mix a sticky slime. Attach it to the soles of slippers. And now for the show! Christy! It's hard to stand still when you just woke up, especially if you slipped on slime. Pillow fight is over. Who knows? You let your guard down too soon, Ben. I've got a special water weapon. We'll need a pillowcase with a zipper. Fill balloons with water. Tie them. Hide the balloons into the pillowcase. Close the zipper. It's a pillow attack, and Ben gets hit by a waterfall. It looks like Christy won this water battle. What could be better than a surprise? Only a surprise with a sweet filling. Take a gift box cap. Finally, crumble cookies. Add milk. Make dough. Shape a rectangular crust and bake it in an oven. Decorate it with pink pastry cream. Add sprinkles and edible glitter. Put the cap on top. And here is another present. It's light and airy. Cut the bottom out of a gift box. Put in tiny styrofoam balls, pieces of paper, and glitter. Cover the hole with a piece of cardboard and carefully turn the box over. It's time for gifts! Pick out a surprise! Oops! How awkward! Now Christy is covered in cream. It's nobody's fault that the cabinet is so high. Poor girl! Come on, I have another present for you. Your gifts just keep getting worse and worse. Thanks a lot, Benny. I love eating on the couch. My tummy is the best table. Oh no, I need to go get some more. Ben, you're going to find out what sitting on your crumbs feels like. Add 3½ ounces of flour to the same amount of mashed potatoes. Add salt, spices, and turmeric to add color. Mix the dough. Roll it out into a thin layer and cut out a giant nacho. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the chip with oil when it's done. Add seasoning. Make a few giant chips. The chips are huge and crunchy. There's a surprise for Ben. Ah! What's with this crunching? Christy brought more chips. I see what happened. Why is the bathroom so messy? Where are my gloves? I don't want to ruin my new nails. Take cleaning gloves. Scrape black pastel to make powder. Put it into the gloves. All right, get to work. Everything has to be spotless. Hey, what happened to my hands? It looks like I was playing with coal. Bye-bye manicure, and watch out, Ben. M&Ms are so good. I'll give some to my friend. Carefully cut an M&Ms package with a utility knife. Take out the candies. Mix wasabi powder with some water. Stir it to get an even consistency and shape M&M candies. Melt white chocolate and add different food coloring to it. Dip the wasabi into the chocolate. Put the candies into the package when the glaze hardens. Carefully cover the cut with double-sided tape. Ben will never say no to some candy. Oh, it burns! I'll pay you back, Christy. I'm craving a prank. What can I spoil here? This perfume will be perfect. Take a perfume bottle apart. Take off the sprayer. Glue the bottle shut. Let the glue dry. Set the sprayer back and put the bottle together. Try using this glued perfume, Christy. Oh, this bottle is weird. Come on, work. Well, I'll have to use Ben's perfume. Christy has so much makeup. She won't even notice that one lipstick is a prank. Clean an old lipstick tube. Cut a stick out of a potato to fit the tube. Cut it with a knife so it's shaped like lipstick. Dissolve food coloring in water. Put in the potato. Put the colored potato stick into the tube as lipstick. Let's see here. My lipstick refuses to work and it smells like a potato. What's with this vegetable makeup? This is how all horror movies start. Watch out, Ben, I see you. It turns out that this is Christy's handwriting. She left a message on the wall with glow-in-the-dark paint. The prank is a success. Why do girls need so many things in the bathroom? Christy should try going without cotton pads. Roll out white light clay into a thin layer. Cut out circles to fit a cotton pad and put them into a container. Washing off makeup turns out to be very hard when you have a clay pad instead of a cotton one. It's a perfect fake. I'll have to sleep with my makeup on. Look at all these balloons. Popping them is so satisfying. Put sequins, paper confetti, and cornstarch into balloons of different sizes. Inflate the balloons using a straw. Christy, a balloon wants to play. Look, it's so cute. I'm done. Ooh, there are balloons here too. These floating monsters are everywhere. I'll show you. Well, it's a lottery. Sequins, glitter, what's next? Stardust? Then you'll pay for this. Did you like our pranks? Then let us know in the comments how you would prank your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new pranks on Troom.